Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of my series. The topic for today is being early, or perhaps you may choose to call it starting early. But I'm not talking about starting early or being early or waking up early from your bed or getting to your work early. No. That's not what I'm talking about today. Today, I want to talk about being early in business, being early in taking advantage, being early in seeing opportunities. And something happened some few days ago that got me thinking in this direction. I began to wonder and ask myself, why is it that as big as the entire continent of Africa, with all the countries in Africa, all the education and everything that we have, why is it that there is no single business in Africa or from the entire continent of Africa that has made it worldwide? Let me give you an example. Microsoft is from the United States of America, from Silicon Valley. Facebook, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, Virgin Airlines, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, you name them. All these big worldwide companies today, especially Facebook, are all from the USA. And these are companies or organizations that can control my life and your life. Yes, you may be saying how. Do you know because of the friends you have on Facebook, because of the business platform you've been able to share and promote on Facebook, do you know that Facebook can tell you from today onward, if you want to use our platform, you have to pay so amount of dollars. And whether you like it or not, you will be forced to do that. They can even tell you, okay, from today we seize so and so data of your information. We can only give you this. Or from today or from tomorrow onward, we are going to block you from this access to the other access. These are the only things you can do right now on Facebook. They have that power. Mind you, this is a platform where you have over 2.1 billion human beings and over 1 billion daily active users. These guys can control the world. If your government is doing something they don't like, if they want to bring down your government, it's just to roll out some promotions or some ads, sponsored. They may not even necessarily need to even sponsor it. All they need to do is to boost the reach, the organic reach of that particular maybe news or publication about your government. And before you know it, all governments in the world are coming in for your government. If they want to bring you down, it doesn't take them anything. In fact, one of the executives of Facebook recently just made it public that they helped in bringing Donald Trump into power. Do you understand the power that Facebook have? Now, all these companies are coming from the US. And it got me begin to wonder, where is Africa? Where does Africa lies? Is it that we don't have a creative mind? Is it that we're not creative? Is it that we don't think? Or is it that we are not educated enough? Or is it that we are not talented or gifted by God who created the whole world? No. What I think is, we like being comfortable with what we have. We like sticking to what we know. But that is not how this life works. It's a popular saying that creativity is born out of curiosity. When you're not curious to learn more, when you're not curious to know more, you remain where you are. Take for example, some few or 2 or 3 decades ago, most of the richest men, apart from those in oil business or government, are people who are into bookshops and stationaries, sales of books and stationaries. But I want to ask you today, how many men do you know operate a bookshop and they are rich? How many? The few ones who saw the sign when ICT, I'm talking about computer, gadgets, mobile devices, tablet, Android, smartphones, PDAs, when all this technology began to come, those people who were smart saw what was coming. And instead of the normal regular bookshops, they switched into computer accessories, and office equipment. Today, as I speak to you, these guys are millionaires. Do you know why? Because ICT equipment and gadgets is like another oil business. Sometimes you don't even beg for customers. Even you watching this video today, believe you me, I am very sure there is one USB device that you need, especially need right now for something. There is one external device you need right now to connect your laptop so you can do one or two things. There is always something you need. As far as the ICT industry is concerned, there is one thing or the other that you need. Maybe your hard drive is about to full, you need to get another hard drive. Your RAM is not fast enough, you want to get another one. Maybe it's just because you don't have money, that is the reason why, or you don't have time to go pick another one, or you have not seen the exact type that you're looking for. I remember some few months ago, I was chatting with a friend of mine, not month perhaps, I should say it's about 2 years plus right now. I was chatting with a friend of mine who is based in the UK, he's in London precisely. Well, discussing, I was like, I bought some bitcoins from him, so I was asking him, how did you stumble upon Bitcoin? We got chatting, and he told me that so many years ago, that was around 2012, 13, something like that, when he arrived at London, I think 11, 12 or so, 2011 or 12 or 13, I can't remember precisely, when he arrived in London, that he wasn't really doing that much for a living, but at least he had a means to survive. Then a white friend invited him for a seminar. So he went and attended the seminar, and there he met some vibrant young men who came to educate people on cryptocurrency and the blockchain and how all of that is going to change and revolutionize the world and all of that. So at the end of the training, to cut the story short, he decided to invest to get some Bitcoin. So he bought about 100 Bitcoins. Then, according to him, that Bitcoin was around $10 then. He bought 100 and something Bitcoins. And today, as I speak to you, ladies and gentlemen, one Bitcoin is going for $8,000 US, and he bought them for $10 each. Now, I am not saying you should go and invest in cryptocurrency. Please, it's a very, very risky place to put your money. Please don't even go there. All right, if you don't know anything about it, don't go there. But the reason why I bring up this story is because I want you guys to understand the power of being early, which is the topic of my video today. Being early in your industry, being early in the market, being early in your craft. Listen, yes, you are specially created, and God gave you a purpose for this life, which He didn't give to another person. But let me tell you something. You see this world that we live in today? The world does not wait for you. If there's a talent you've been given, and you choose to, because of fear of the unknown, not to work on that particular talent, not to bring it out to the public for the public to see what you have in you, believe me, somebody else will wake up somewhere with that same idea and even maybe better than yours and present to the world. Do you think if somebody like Jay-Z or Beyonce have not started music as when they start, that the world will not have the Jay-Z and the Beyonce that we have today? Somebody else will do it. Come on. Are you getting it? So it's about being early in your industry. And the idea behind this episode today of mine is, I want to ask you, 80% of your customers are on social media. They are on the internet. They are tweeting, they are WhatsApping, they are chatting, they are pinging, they are liking, they are sharing, they are tagging. Is your business following them and tagging them and sharing them, and it's your business then? Because whether you like it or not, within the next 5 to 10 years, the world will be 80% on the internet. Because listen, we're talking about, see, the technological evolution is so fast that before you even know it, it has come past you. Do you understand? Just of recent, we're talking about the impact of social media, what social media does, and blah blah blah. We're talking about social media. Now we are talking about 5G. Before 5G, even before 5G, we were talking about electric cars. Now we have Tesla. Tesla that is fully electric cars. We're not even done debating electric cars, and now we even have autonomous vehicles, cars that drive themselves. The same Tesla makes this vehicle. I'm not talking about movies now. I'm not talking about movies. I'm talking about real life. These are cars that are available. You can even go to the Tesla website and order for yourself an autonomous vehicle, a vehicle that drives itself. Do you understand? And it's a vehicle that drives itself. And interesting thing, it doesn't use a petrol. It's an electric car, and it drives itself. Do you understand? We're debating whether electric cars are good or whether they are going to be strong or people will switch to electric cars, and now we're talking about autonomous vehicle. Now we're not even done with autonomous vehicle. We're not done with autonomous vehicle. Now we are even seeing companies that are creating, how do I call it, dual functional vehicles that can fly and ride on land. Don't even say this guy is talking shit, because these are available online. You can go Google them, you find them. They have been tested in public. They've been displayed in public tech shows, events. Okay, vehicles that can fly and also ride on land. Do you understand how fast things are changing? I want to ask you: is your business leveraging this new technology, this new era, this new world that is being created on the internet, this new world that is being created on technology? Are you there? Are you building your own shop there? Are you building your business there? Are you building your shopping mall in this new world of technology, internet, and social media? This global village you're talking about, that the world is a global village, is your business. Are you buying a plot of land in that global village to build your shop there? Or you want to sit down and say, no, I'm okay, I get 10,000 customers a day, or I get 1,000 customers a day, I'm okay with 1,000 customers a day. Do you know if you get 10,000 customers or 1,000 customers a day? Okay, let's use 1,000 for example. Do you know if you get 1,000 customers a day, and maybe as a result of your constant posting and communicating and engagement on social media and the internet as a whole, if you are able to get an extra 20% customers from the internet, 20% of 1,000, do you realize that 20% of 1,000 is equal to 200 extra customers coming to your business for just simple few minutes of just typing something or posting something about your business, about any product in your shop or in your services? Do you know that's an extra 20% coming into your bank account? And what does it cost you? Nothing other than 3-4 minutes of just your time to just post something. So I ask you again, are you building a new shop, a new office for your business in this global village that we are going, or that is already here? Are you building a space for your business there? Because a lot of us like to be comfortable with what we know and what we have. But listen, like I used to always say, if you don't want to risk anything, then you have to learn to be comfortable with what you have, because that is all you're ever going to have. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to wrap this up by saying, if you want us to come in and help you in your business, because that's what we do at promobotics.com. So if you want our help, you want our professionalism and expertise, please visit our website at www.promobotics.com. We'll guide you, we'll set you up, create all the social media handles for you, optimize them so that people get to see your business, and these search engines can pick your business whenever people are searching for products or services that relate to what you do. Okay, that is the essence of optimizing your social media handle. All right. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you guys in the next episode. Bye.